Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka right here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alex Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And spring is right here, right now. It means travel time. You know, 春天到了，已经4月份了。其实慢慢的呢，大家都喜欢往外跑了。
出去撩，
出去撩就是出去玩。Yes, go out and have fun. So we're going to be traveling a lot, and therefore, when you travel, 怎么办呢？难道住在车上吗？不可能啦，对不对？一定是住在饭店啦、民宿啦等等啦，对不对？所以今天呢，我们来教大家怎么订房间好了。
好啊。
Let's teach people how to make a reservation at a hotel. 很简单的啦，你可能是不管是走进去的还是打电话，可能你就是要说我要订一间双人房。I want to reserve a room for two.
我要订一间双人房。
要听什么东西？
订房间啊。
要订哦。我以为要听什么东西？听是订。听 that's reservation. OK. 我要听
一间双人房。
双人房
Yeah
OK 一间 means one room for two OK 双人房那如果不是2个人那么 romantic 的要出去可能是一群朋友4个人那就要订一间4人房咯4人房就是4人房 That means a room for 4 Or lonely I'm still lonely
没办对不对
一个人去玩怎么办呢单人房单人房 OK that means a room for 1 Alright then you're gonna ask how much is it for one night OK 住一晚要多少钱
一晚不要几多钱
哇一晚不
就是住一晚
住一晚一晚不一晚不休困刚刚休一
晚不就是一个晚上的意思吗
OK 一晚不
要几多钱
OK that means how much for one night 我们教的都是4线嘛那如果是海陆腔这句话怎么说呢
一晚不
不一样的音调一晚不
要几多钱
要去抽签比较像那样子的音调然后最后当然要杀个价有没有打折Is there any discounts
有大战吗
Okay, that means is there any discount you can give me? So there you go. If you're going to go out and reserve a room, whether it's a room for 1, for 2, or for 4, now you can do it in Hakka and have a great time traveling around. So that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎
汉子 say 张来了
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.